Today, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a complete ERP system using OpenCode. So, I'm going to show you here all the process step by step. First of all, I'm going to go for the OpenCode AI installation process. So, open your command prompt normally. You can see command prompt, and here go to run a command number is mpn space I space hyphen g space OpenCode hyphen AI at list. This is the command you have to write. So make sure you have Node.js installed in your PC or not. They put the command prompt once again and type node-b to check that if you have Node.js installed or not. You can see I already had this. I got the version it means I have installed. So in your case, if you don't get the version, you have to actually install Node.js in your PC. And after that, if you run the command, then it will start installing. I already have this. So to check if you have successfully installed it or not, you can say here OpenCode hyphen version. When OpenCode version will show here the latest version, you can see. All right, now this is going to be a PHP project, so we need a server for this. And here we had Gem installed in my PC, you can see. And if I open Gem control panel, you can see this is a Gem control panel. In a case, you have to install Gem in a PC. So the Gem installation process is really simple. I'm not going to show you the process, and we have a bunch of different videos on it in our channel. You can check them. Okay. So imagine that you can install Gem, go for the Apache and MySQL both server because we need this server. So one is Apache for the PHP. I mean to run server-side scripting language, we need this server Apache and then MySQL for the database. So we have started this server and we have installed our Gem, the Gem in C drive. That's why I'm getting here a folder called Gem. If you install it in different drive, then you will get here a folder called Gem. Okay. I mean, no matter in which drive you have installed it, you will get a folder called Gem. So go inside the Gem folder and then distribute folder. Okay. And here you have to create your project. But before that, make sure you have set your PHP globally. So inside Gem folder, okay, inside Gem folder, you will find a PHP folder. Go inside of this folder and select the address bar. Copy this address bar. Go for the environment setting. Type env and click here edit the environment system environment variable. Click here edit environment variables and then select path and the system variables. Click here edit and click here new and add the path. I already added it, so I'm not going to actually do this once again. And after that, you have to click OK, OK on OK. So you have set it PHP globally also. Now let's go back here in the Gem once again, and then htdocs. And here we're going to create our project. Get here in a folder, and the folder name will be, let's say, ERP-PHP. So this is going to be my project, and here you can see. So here I'm going to open command prompt file. Click here in the address bar, I'll type cmd and hit enter. Then command prompt will be open. Here you can see content folder. Here you can see content specific folder, ERP-PHP, and here I'm going to open OpenCode. So I'll write OpenCode and hit enter. Then OpenCode will be open here. Here you can see OpenCode. Now here I'm going to give a prompt. I'll go to the chatgpt.com and I'll generate a prompt. So I'm going to show that. So these are the little information about my project, and I'm going to actually ask for a prompt. So it will actually give me a professional prompt. You can see. So I got the prompt here. Now I'm going to copy this prompt and I will go back here in the OpenCode and I will paste it. You can see paste anyway. I have pasted it. Now we hit enter and then it will actually generate the whole project for us. So guys, I'm going to show you the project output also, and I'm going to show you how you can sell this project online so that you can earn money through Colorless. So you can see the project is completed and you have here trading share also. Now let me show you the project output. So I'm going to actually go to the project directly. Since it is a PHP project, we have to go to the Gem folder, then htdocs, and here is our project PHP. You can see this is the project. Now to run this project, you have to actually start Apache and MySQL server, make sure, and then go for the browser, okay, and then go for localhost slash. This is our project, ERP-PHP. So click here and here you can see. Please log in to continue. You can see. Now here you have to actually give admin credential, right? So we have here admin credential. You can see admin at erp.com, then admin at 123. Admin at 123. If I go for the sign in, you can see we have the pretty awesome dashboard. You can see sales, purchase, and everything working here. Now this is the time to sell this project. So make sure you have, I mean, your project has no error. because you are going to sell this card operations and all the stuff is working perfectly or not. Make sure them, and after that you have to actually go for the Patreon site. So go for the patreon.com. So guys, I am from my mobile data. That is the reason actually I cannot show you how to actually go to the patreon.com, but we have actually made a bunch of different videos on it, how you can sell your project on Patreon. You can check any of these. I'll add it in the I button, okay, so that you can actually check from here. So you have to actually sell this project by going here, patreon.com. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.